right back on Rodeo. Still got some boys on the payroll. You niggas still tipping Caro. She with a P in LA at the condo. We bout to eat Maggiano. Helping the P out some beaming on narcos. Thinking I should take the Bronco.
For $844. If you really need this, if you really want this, give us him.
I hand him over for 2 weeks. I get that.
Pretty much.
It's over, bro. You're not going back.
Then I'm right back on Rodeo.
Mink. Alright, boom. I don't know if I'm putting this in the vlog or not, but we got the full gang here. Niggas at Waffle House, first stop in Atlanta. You already know the vibes. My boy Doge here. How you feeling?
I'm just hungry, man. I haven't eaten.
Not worried, type shit.
Like,
say what's up to them, Queez.
I dropped my Auntie Annie's on the plane, man. Crazy, man. Who's 6?
Nigga ordered what?
6 eggs.
6 bomber ass clot, pussy bomber blood clot egg.
Nigga wild, bro. Nigga said 6 eggs. The lady had to double take.
Like, my lord.
6 blood clot egg, deg dog.
Niggas in the Bnb. Look how it's looking. Look how it's looking. Looking valid. Looking valid.
Yeah, choose one you want.
Shit, let's see. Might choose this shit. The setup on that shit. Come on now.
Hold on.
A little calm, little setup. I might take this one right here. Niggas just hoping I ain't take this one.
Yeah, got the bathroom, man.
Oh, you got the connector shit. Okay, you got the connector shit. You see you, Queez?
Yeah.
Alright, give me the whole basement then. Take the whole basement.
You taking the whole
I'm
basement?
taking the whole basement. All 4 of those beds.
This boy childish as shit. What the fuck?
This shit don't even got the. Nah, this shit don't. Shit is just a map.
That's a surfboard, rocking power ass shit. What the fuck? Hey, now this shit would have been cool for like people though.
Nah, word. Yeah. I'm kind of mad we ain't get Gotti and John in here. Shit would have been lit.
Shorties, man.
Let's see Doge's humble abode.
Come here.
What we saying? Okay.
Bed. Cat bed. My cat's not fucking here, Shaq. Cat's not even here. Tissues. Look at that. Body
Indeed.
wash.
Come on now.
Conditioner. And cleaning shampoo.
Yes.
Alright, chat. Over here. Another room. This shit. Calm, little comfy room. You know?
Indeed.
The cup chair in the corner.
Cup chair.
Cup chair in the other corner.
Mm-hmm.
Type shit. Honestly, I'll probably sleep in another room, but like, if I want to lay down and look at the TV, I'm not turning that shit on. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Yo, gang, welcome back to PrinxeThe2nd MTV Cribs. Here with your boy Doge right here. This nigga's admiring the view and shit. Look at him. Look at him. It's hours, nigga. Hours, nigga.
This is tough.
Indeed. And this is my first time traveling out of New York with my boy Doge. So this is gonna be a vibey time. You feel me? First of many. How we feeling?
This crib is honestly amazing. Way
Like,
better than I expected.
This is our first
Way
little
better than I.
duo trip. How we feeling?
I just told you. Fuck ass nigga.
Oh yeah. Tight shit. Boom skis. This is what we copped today. A nice calm little mouse. Some nice shit for my, you know. Got the Cowabunga collection. If you know, you know. If you don't, shit. And then we got this. Oh no! Shit gonna fire my setup back in the crib. What? Yo. The fuck? Yo, what is that? Yo, what the fuck? Nah, we might have to get out of here. Yo. Nah. Hey, yo! You see the channel right here. You see the vibes. Love y'all for this right here. 738. This is amazing right here. You see the channel. 47. We still small right here, but mark my words, niggas is gonna get bigger. Pause? I don't know, maybe, but yeah, niggas gonna grow. We gonna be lit soon. This gonna be nostalgic right here, you know? Word. Yo, gang, I'm back. in my room after 2 months. It's me and your boy Doge. Oh my God.
Nah, this ain't real.
I got my boy in here, the Forbidden Lands, the shit you only see on TV. Come on now.
You got a whole battle happening in this goddamn setup.
Indeed. These niggas was fighting this shit. I don't know what Batman doing over here.
Spider-Man fell.
That nigga fell, yeah. See what's going on here.
18
And the
inches
vibes.
of Venom. 19, I forgot. All these pops on the side.
Of course.
Honestly, a good type of clutter. Like I said, cluttered, but a good type of clutter.
Yes, valid. The visually pleasing type of clutter.
Yeah.
You know? My baby! I see you alone. My babies. Oh. And this is why I usually have my laptop set up and everything, you know. This is why I make my amazing edits, videos, all of that. This is why I game, vibe, and bug the fuck out. And this is just a secondary chair for whoever the fuck else like this nigga. Alright, gang, we are back from my humble abode and back to the B&B. And you see what I got with me. I got the PS5. The P5 ski. And look at the ooh, 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 ooh. And we got the Kawabunga collection. We finna play this. I don't know if we're gonna play it right now. It's dumb late. We might just go to sleep. But hold on, gang. Let's admire this disc right here. Look at this. Come on now. You can't tell me that's not fire. You can't. This is why I still appreciate having the disc version of the PS5 just to have beauties like this. You feel me? If you can relate, you can relate. If you can't, that's just sad. Yeah. Even the icon is tough. Look at it. Tough.
I'm running out of energy. You can't record me.
Alright, boom skis. The gang is at Six Flags over Georgia right now.
That ride still
I'm here
going?
with Doge. Niggas are still flying around.
Yeah, I'm like, hold up.
I got my uncle in the back. I got your boy Queese right here.
No, we out here.
Alright, we about to pull up inside and vibe out. See y'all next scene.
It was the one that when I was younger, they had one where like it was like a super. I think it was Superman when you go and you go like this and stuff.
Yeah.
So when I went, I was like 13 or 14 when I came here, and the shit got stuck. I was like, I'm done. I ain't getting on that shit. It was like one back home and shit, like the drink on the Batwing. When I tell you I had a cramp, I had a fucking Charlie horse. I was like, what the fuck? I didn't even enjoy the ride. I was like, I was like, cause like your leg is like bent and shit.
Yeah.
I'm like, bro, this shit, wow. I had a Charlie horse the whole time. Yo, I was stuck, so they had to help me up. I was like, man, shit crazy. Like, this ride obviously ain't working. These rides. Oh, that man.
Oh.
Oh, shit. Oh.
They just shut your ass up.
Oh. Hey, the guys heard me. It was like, hold up, this nigga talking too much. But I showed him. They showed me I ain't get on that ride, though. That shit gonna have you on the highway. Oh, shit.
This nigga look like a lost nigga.
All these loops, I mean, look at this shit. Like this shit. Nah, look at this shit. Like all these loops is crazy. What is that? This is standing up one too? Oh, hell no.
Now what's the word with that one? That's
that
calm.
was quick as shit.
Yeah, that's mad calm.
Yeah, I do that one.
Say that, say that. All the vibes. Six Flags over Georgia. You know what I mean? Oh my God! But yeah, a New York nigga in Atlanta, Six Flags. You know, different type of content. All right, so boom, we up next. We about to get the front seats on the first ride. I'm not getting no footage of us on the ride because niggas took my damn gimbal, so I don't even want to take the chances. But y'all saw in the earlier clip how this shit moves, so I'm gonna catch y'all after.
That's Six Flags alright though.
What's going on? It ain't Halloween yet.
Nigga, we in Ermac, bro. You're inside of Ermac. This is what it looks
Souls
like, bro.
and shit, yeah. The Crip, MK11.
Yes.
Nah, but that red ride, first ride, it was valid. Had my hair flying back, had me looking like Sonic, but it's alright though. Oh, nah. They up there? Oh. Alright, so boom, we just entering Gotham City. You already know the vibes with Gotham. Should be wild out here. Gotta watch your back, your front, your left, your right, your diagonal, your 90-degree, everything, gang. The Riddler mind bender.
Riddle me this, Batman. What's long and hard? It has come inside of it. Riddle me this, Batman.
I ain't answering that fucking riddle, man.
Nigga, it's a cucumber. Fucking dirty ass mind.
I ain't even say shit. Diddling ass nigga. Nigga ain't the Riddler, he the Diddler. Oh, what the fuck? Alright, so the Riddler ride got taken over by the Diddler, so they shut it down. Oh, nah, now we really in Gotham.
That's why Batman is tough.
We going through a whole course to get to this. Nah, there's more. Fuck it, I'm Batman, y'all. Riddler. Riddler. I will stop you this time. What the fuck? Oh, nah. Keep it moving, nigga. Killer Clark. Man back got their ass. Oh, we in the Batcave. It's lit. Look at that man. Look at that man, Batman. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Okay, look at the DC store. The Junker. That's tough.
That jean jacket's up.
Yeah, that is tough.
That's heat. This is heat. What that price tag look like? Oh, Bamba. This shit's fire. Oh, they got Arkham. Your boy, RP. Now look what they got. They got the Flash Tech. Come on now. You fucking with the Flash Tech?
No.
Mirror though. He's got the racist Batman hat.
The racist Batman.
The racist Nah. We
That's
just
what
gonna keep it
America
pushing.
is crazy.
Nah, we gonna keep it pushing. Batman, nah. Batman do not agree with half the shit America be doing.
Nigga old now. Nigga old.
That Batman one took him out. It's over?
Have to watch y'all.
Nigga really unk now. You gotta watch us. Go ahead now, nephew.
Go ahead now.
Go ahead now, nephew. Alright, the camera was messed up last time, but look at that. That's what we getting on. This look crazy. It's calm, but like, just look at the angle of that. So after the Batman and the Riddler, finally got rid of the Diddler, so the real nigga is back. So we're about to get on the Riddler ride, see how that's looking. I was low-key about to try to catch a scene on that Catwoman shit, but then I saw it went like sideways and upside down.
That joint started going crazy.
Yeah, sorry. Oh yeah, we lit.
It's back.
We lit.
Like in the back.
Turn the camera around.
Hey, y'all, we back on the Superman.
On the Superman?
Yeah.
Where that's at?
It's in the back.
Oh shit.
Alright, bet, be on.
A few moments later.
This nigga traumatized. Nigga was holding on to dear life to his phone.
Nah, hold on for dear life, cause they ain't let me bring my gimbal in, man. I had to hold that phone like my life depended on that.
We
We was about to get on the Superman. Why is it looking like that? Like, where's the rest of the ride? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Yo.
What's up?
Where's the rest of the ride, yo? Where's the rest of the ride, bro? Niggas really want us to fly? Like, what's going on? Where's the rest of the ride? Queese, where's the rest of the ride, yo?
Bro, where's the right at?
Where's it at?
Oh nah, the Looney Tunes pulling up right now, bro.
What?
Ascot?
He pointed to the... Who he pointing at? Yo, who he pointing at? Yo. What? What is going on? Damn. 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 Yeah. Ah. Come again?
Come on, CJ.
Flying with us?
Got it. The foreshadowing on YouTube.
So next
Part
time.
2 is Six Flags. My Unc won the PS5. That's gonna be the title.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
We like the confidence.
Think about it, miss like that other nigga did. You about to miss just like that nigga, son. Nigga missed every shot. He got nothing.
Man, like Kobe. I might even pull out with my Kobe jersey, man.
You got a Kobe jersey.
Alright. For that,
He talking about they got this on sale.
Yep. For $844, right? Hear me out. We can work something out here. How much
800.
money you got on? You look like you ballin'. I mean.
Nah, yeah, but I don't got 800 to drop on a Batman statue.
Oh, yes, you do.
You telling me?
Got siblings?
Yeah.
Are they old enough to work?
Nah. They all young.
You trying to get this thing off the shelf? Nope.
Is that your best friend?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He 18, right?
Uh-huh.
He just need a meal a day. You
Nah, you're a W salesman, bro.
If you really need this, if you really want this, give us him and we'll have him pay this thing off.
I hand him over for 2 weeks. I get that.
Pretty much.
It's over, bro. You're not going back home.
Imagine your girl comes over and you just got Batman. Just got Batman right there. She's gonna be asking for it. Just having Batman watch.
What?
Just have Batman
Just have
watching
him
in the
watch.
corner. Talking about justice for Gotham or like justice for something else.
So, in conclusion, I got the Batman. It's being mailed to my crib tomorrow. Look, he was a W salesman. Also, type shit. Indeed.
She don't want me, I got a load.
Fosho.
She got her body so good, begging me blowing balloons.
For sure.
She
Hello.
lives in
For
my side,
sure.
got nothing to lose. You always gonna be there on time, like you got nothing to do. So can I make it my boo? Your friends can fuck with my crew. Now she at my crib before noon. I cannot get over you. Hope you don't blame me for giving good brain in school. That mean you're a few jewel.